Okay, so starting from the front, now we think we might need to try and find another bumper, but look, the grille, everything's there. There's nothing missing on this car. I found it just down south of Coffs Harbour. The guy had it stored away in a shed indoors its whole life, but it was getting some water in the back due to a leaking roof. Water was leaking down on the back window and leaking in through this hole here, therefore getting into the vehicle and rusting out the floor. So we've got a rusty floor at the rear. The seats are all in very good condition for its age, all in one piece. Could just use a good scrub up really. Hood lining's all there, just all dirty, just needs to be replaced. Yeah, so there it is. What I really love about this car is how great the dash is. The dash is just immaculate. You know, you just can't find original HKs like this anymore, you know, with everything there. Doesn't even have a radio, you know, it doesn't have aircon, power steering or a radio. It's just untouched. There she is, rust in all the usual places. All the trims are there, all the chromes. And I know we've got a couple of guards lying around here somewhere. It's alive!
Got a few HK parts here with me in the booth, ready for epoxy primer. All the paint has been taken off them, and me and the boys were actually paint stripping all the panels. We don't want to sandblast, one, because we can do the work when we paint strip it, and two, sometimes sandblasting can warp the panels. And we want to keep the panels as straight as possible. So here they are behind us, the two front guards and the bonnet there hanging up, completely paint stripped.